Top 10 electrical mistakes that could kill you. Electricity is something we use every single day, but it's also something many people underestimate. The scary truth is that most electrical accidents don't happen because of complex systems. They happen because of simple mistakes. In this video, we're going through the top 10 electrical mistakes that could kill you. Some of these are incredibly common, and you might even be doing them right now. Let's get into it. 1. Assuming a wire is dead. This is the number one mistake, and one of the most dangerous. Just because a switch is off doesn't mean the wire is safe. Circuits can be wired incorrectly, backfed, or connected to multiple sources. Touching a live wire without testing it first can result in a severe shock or worse. Always test before you touch, no exceptions. 2. Working on live circuits. Many people think they can quickly fix something without turning off the power. Bad idea. Even experienced electricians avoid working live unless absolutely necessary. One small slip, one wrong move, and you could be exposed to a dangerous current. Turning off the power takes seconds. Recovering from an electric shock isn't so easy. 3. Using damaged cables or tools. Frayed wires, cracked insulation, or damaged plugs are more than just wear and tear. They're accidents waiting to happen. Exposed conductors can easily come into contact with you, metal surfaces, or other wires, leading to shocks or short circuits. If something looks damaged, don't use it. Replace it. 4. Overloading sockets and extension leads. Plugging too many devices into one outlet might seem harmless, but it's a major fire risk. Overloaded circuits generate heat, and heat leads to melting insulation, sparks, and eventually fire. If your extension lead feels warm or smells strange, that's a warning sign. 5. Ignoring ground, earth, connections. That green and yellow wire is there for a reason. It's your safety line. Without proper grounding, fault current has nowhere safe to go. Instead, it can travel through you. Never remove, ignore, or disconnect the earth wire. It could be the only thing standing between you and a fatal shock. 6. Mixing water and electricity. This sounds obvious, but it still happens all the time. Using electrical devices with wet hands, working in damp conditions, or placing appliances near water increases the risk dramatically. Water lowers resistance, meaning electricity flows more easily and more dangerously through your body. Keep electricity and water far apart. Always. 7. Using the wrong fuse or breaker. Some people think, if it keeps tripping, I'll just put in a bigger fuse. That's one of the worst things you can do. Fuses and breakers are designed to protect wiring. Increasing their rating removes that protection and allows dangerous levels of current to flow. Instead of fixing the problem, you're making it far worse. 8. Loose electrical connections. Loose wires might still work, but they're incredibly dangerous. They create resistance, which produces heat. Over time, this can cause insulation to melt, sparks to form, and fires to start. A loose connection today can become a serious hazard tomorrow. Always ensure connections are tight and secure. 9. Trusting wire colors without testing. Many people rely on wire colors to identify live, neutral, and earth. But here's the truth. Not all wiring follows the rules. Old installations, DIY work, or incorrect setups can mean colors are misleading or completely wrong. Never trust colors alone. Always test and confirm. 10. Skipping safety gear and precautions. No gloves, no tester, no isolation, just getting the job done. This mindset is dangerous. Electrical safety isn't about luck. It's about preparation. Insulated tools, proper testing, and correct procedures exist for a reason. Skipping them might save time, but it could cost you everything. Final thoughts. Electricity is powerful, it's useful, efficient, and essential, but it demands respect. The truth is, most electrical accidents are preventable. They happen because of shortcuts, assumptions, and lack of awareness. If you remember anything from this video, let it be this. Test before you touch. Never rush electrical work. Respect electricity at all times. Outro. If this video made you think twice or taught you something new, make sure to like and subscribe for more electrical tips that could keep you safe. And let me know in the comments, which mistake have you seen people make the most? Stay safe and respect electricity.